Every day, criminals try to break into the systems we all rely on, and cybersecurity is how we stop them. In the next few minutes, we'll demystify it. No technical background needed. Cybersecurity is simply the practice of protecting computers, networks, data, and people from digital attacks, keeping information private, accurate, and available when you need it. It matters more than ever because almost everything now runs online. Money, health records, whole businesses. When that's exposed, the damage is real and expensive. A single breach can drain money, leak sensitive data, halt operations for days, and, hardest of all to rebuild, destroy customer trust. So who's behind it? Mostly organized criminals chasing money, but also hacktivists making a point, nation-states seeking secrets, and sometimes insiders. Security really protects three things, known as the CIA triad: confidentiality, keeping data private; integrity, keeping it accurate; and availability, keeping it accessible. Attackers have a whole toolkit. Let's look at the most common threats you'll actually hear about, starting with the one behind most breaches. Phishing is a fake message, an email or text, pretending to be someone you trust, to trick you into clicking a link or handing over a password. It's behind the majority of breaches. Malware is malicious software, viruses, spyware, trojans that sneaks onto a device to steal data, spy on you, or take control. It often arrives hidden in a download or attachment. Ransomware is malware that locks up all your files and demands payment to unlock them. It can freeze an entire hospital or company overnight, one of today's most damaging attacks. Many attacks need no clever hacking at all, just a stolen or weak password. Reused passwords let an attacker walk straight in through the front door. Often, the easiest system to hack is the human. Social engineering uses urgency, fear, or authority to trick people into giving up access. A convincing phone call can beat any firewall. A denial-of-service attack floods a website with fake traffic until it collapses, knocking a service offline for everyone, sometimes as a distraction for something worse. Here's how a typical attack unfolds. It starts with a phishing email. One click installs malware. The attacker quietly gains a foothold, moves through the network, and finally steals or locks the data. There's no single magic shield. Good security uses layers, so if one fails, another still stands. This is called defense in depth. Start with strong, unique passwords and turn on multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Even if a password is stolen, MFA asks for a second proof, like a code on your phone, and blocks the intruder. Encryption scrambles data into unreadable code, so even if it's stolen, it's useless without the key. It protects your messages, payments, and files, both stored and in transit. A firewall acts as a gatekeeper, filtering what's allowed in and out, while antivirus and modern endpoint tools spot and remove malicious software. Many attacks exploit known flaws that already have a fix. Keeping software updated, patching, closes those doors before attackers can use them. Regular, separate backups are your safety net. If ransomware strikes, you can restore your data instead of paying, as long as the backups are kept offline and tested. The modern approach is zero trust, never trust, always verify. Instead of assuming anyone inside the network is safe, every user and device must prove itself every time. Technology alone isn't enough. Since people are the most targeted link, training staff to pause, question, and report suspicious messages is one of the best defenses there is. AI is changing the game. It writes flawless phishing messages, clones voices and faces for deepfake scams, and helps attackers find weaknesses faster than ever. But defenders use AI too, spotting unusual behavior, catching threats hidden in mountains of data, and responding in seconds at machine speed. Security isn't just the IT team's problem. From the front desk to the boardroom, every person and every device is part of the defense, or a way in. If you remember nothing else, use MFA everywhere. Keep software updated. Back up your data. Use a password manager and pause before you click. That stops the vast majority of attacks. For a business, strong security protects revenue, meets regulations and, most importantly, earns the trust that customers won't give twice. So, cybersecurity protects your data's privacy, accuracy, and availability. The threats are many, but layered defenses, smart habits, and a trained team keep you safe.